Okay. Opens the door. Let's go get the baby. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. Let me sleep. Okay, time to get in. Oh, come on. Just move. Just move. Move. Okay. Let me move her for a minute. Okay, meet your baby sister over here. Weh. Hello. Mom, you're home. Braylon, I got your baby sister. Your baby sister named Briley. No, I don't want a baby sister. I want a baby brother instead. Go meet her. Go meet her. No, Dad. I would prefer a baby brother more than a baby sister. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. You know what you did? You're grounded for kicking the baby. Get to your room right now. That's it. You're grounded. Ah, fine. Don't worry, don't cry. We love you, Bet. Just don't worry about your brother, okay? 5 year, 2 years late. 2 years later. Vroom, vroom. They grew up 2 years later. Oh my. Mm. Let's go to the slide. The car is on the slide. Mm. 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 Oh my gosh, this is my little brother. Hello there. Oh, what are you doing? There's little duck. Quack, quack. Mm. Mm. Time to slide out there. Mm. Mm. Oh shoot, wait. Yay, slide. Mm. Wee. Wee. Oh, hello there. Okay, I'm going to get the dinosaur. Oh, yang Kaya kasi ako nito yun ako kasi tapos nag-dinosaur ako tapos nag-dinosaur ako. ulit dinosaur ha, Tom 2? Okay, sorry about that guys because of my brother. Okay, let's continue the role play. I'm gonna get the dinosaur. Wow, dinosaur. Hey, that's you dinosaur. You got your own toys, you shouldn't steal my toys. But I want the dinosaur. Get out of here. Get out of here. I am 7 years old and you are only 2. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. This is my toy. Get out of my sight. This is my toy. Go get your own toy and get out of the playroom. Mommy. Mommy. What's going on up there? I heard crying. What? He's hurting her little sister. Hmm. Get out of the toys. I caught you red-handed, Brylo. Hmm. Why, Mom? He's stealing my toys. This is my toys. Why is he stealing all my toys? Look, he already steal 5 of my toys. Bro, I buy this for your sister. These 5 toys over there and you already have one. You already have 3 cars and 1 dinosaur. What else you want? Bruh. Say sorry right now. Sorry, little sis. You can have the toys. You're grounded. Go to your room. You're grounded. Go to your room right now. Fine. 5 years later. I join brother in your mom, dad. I'm going in the basket in the basketball match. I mean, can we go? Yes, son. Can I come, brother? Can I come? No, that's only for me. You're just 7 years old and I am 12. Why? Just why? Come on, just go with your sister or you'll be grounded, son. Fine, come here. You can go through my soccer match. Okay.